Transform your ideas into top-notch animated videos for any purpose, in all kinds of styles, topics, and languages, super fast. Introducing VideoCreator. It's your go-to video maker that lets you whip up amazing animated videos for any purpose, topic, or language, all from one super simple dashboard. Whether you're crafting promo content, educational tutorials, or eye-catching social media clips, VideoCreator has got all the tools you need to make your ideas come to life with ease. Check out the VideoCreator app. It's packed with cool, cutting-edge video tech that's totally unique. You can whip up videos easily with tons of templates and an intuitive drag-and-drop dashboard that makes creating impressive videos a breeze, even if you're not tech-savvy. The app lets you make videos in all sizes perfect for any social media platform, and they're all in full HD without extra charges. Plus, it's 100% cloud-based, so no installation needed. Customize your videos with your own branding, images, and text. Dive into the built-in music library filled with awesome copyright-free tracks, or upload your own logos, images, and tunes to give your projects a personal touch. With millions of royalty-free assets from Pixels and Pixabay integration at your fingertips, you'll never run out of creative options. Boost engagement with revolutionary pattern interrupt scroll stoppers that can skyrocket click-through rates while slashing ad costs on social media. Show off products using amazing 3D e-commerce demos or turn images into stunning video flipbooks. Bring life to your creations with realistic 3D animations or immersive 360-degree animations that'll leave competitors in the dust. The app supports multiple languages too. And if you're looking to sell what you create, there's a commercial license included for that as well, plus unlimited background removal for ultimate flexibility. And the best part? You can create literally any type of video you dream up, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. Whether it's explainer videos, animated clips, e-commerce promos, social media content, real estate tours, whiteboard animations, live-action shots, logo reveals, video ads, you name it. The possibilities are endless. No limits, no subscriptions. Get unlimited video renders and use all the features as much as you want. Plus, there are hundreds of ready-to-use video templates and so much more. Create awesome, eye-catching videos to sell anything in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick. Choose from hundreds of ready-to-use templates. The library is packed with top-notch, fully customizable video templates for any marketing need. Step 2. Personalize. Make your videos stand out by easily adding your own logos, text, images, music, watermarks, and backgrounds to give them a unique touch. Step 3. Produce. Crank out unlimited videos in full HD quality for your websites, online stores, social media channels, and product promos. Use them yourself or sell them to clients for profit. Boost your impact, grab attention, and take your results to the next level with VideoCreator. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy the freedom to grow your business with unlimited videos at a super low one-time cost. VideoCreator is your all-in-one answer for every video marketing need. Why hold back? Dive into making amazing animated videos today with VideoCreator. Click the link below to snag it now for just a one-time price.